The day is breaking softly and
people see it here. One new backyard cooking start. See it here. My uncle and my father cook. And my father daughter.
And sister.
Oh, and my sister too, yeah. See there? See there? So see there? Name Poochie, otherwise ugly choices. So see Pat there. See Pat there just ready. So yeah, so see there. We fix up on our backyard. If you no can look, different changes, look. See it there? The jerk pan, the place where he pat there and go come here put it. See it there? See table there? See stove there? So everything, we have put everything under one cover. That means when the backyard cooking start, see the rolling with the dirty foot. See it there? Aston same way. See Edmond there? Yeah. See Uncle Ray there, push up wood under fire.
Push up your wood, Uncle Ray. Push it up.
Yeah, crab man. Uncle Ray, look here. Tell them to like, share, and subscribe. That they like it, ain't it?
Say no, Uncle Ray, like, subscribe.
Alright, come Poochie, say it, they make it here. Come.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Come Poochie. You sound good, come. You sound good, come. No, come, tell them.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Come. Come.
Like,
Yeah.
comment, subscribe.
Why? Uncle Ray, come, be sure that you're better than them now. Come, say it. No, take off your cap and say it. Come. Alright, tell teacher how to say it. Sit down there, Poochie. You more teacher of it.
Can't teacher.
Alright, come. You two want to teach you know one another how to say it.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
I said, go Korea.
Like, share, sometime.
No, like, share, and subtract.
Comment. Subscribe. Sometime. Like, subtract.
Alright, go. I'm glad. Alright, Uncle Ray and his niece now, so they go like, share, and subscribe to my channel now.
Subscribe.
Come.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Poochie, come. Follow me now. Like.
Share.
No, like.
Like.
Share.
Share.
And what again?
Comment.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
to Get a Girl J.A.
to get a girl J.
and Mix Up J.A.
Mix up J.
Yeah.
.com.
Yeah. Tell them which part there.
Where place name again? Where place name?
Say which parish.
Stepney.
At Stepney, say I watch it.
Stepney.
Alright. Come, Korea. Tell them where we there. Tell them where we there. Where we there?
Mommy be.
Yeah.
I'm maybe a name member.
Mommy be. What's your
Alright. G. Albert, I go say it now. Albert, tell them now. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Alright. Come on, Uncle man. Come.
Like, share,
Eh.
and subscribe.
Surprise.
Surprise.
No. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Nah, Jesus. Alright, the people.
Let up. Tell head to say. See head.
Ed,
Come in.
come. Tell them to like, share, and subscribe. Come. Tell them.
Subscribe.
Right. Like,
Like,
share,
share,
subscribe.
subscribe.
Right. You better the whole of them. Because you know them so big and can't talk. Pat now, people. See Pat there? Pan the wood fire. Albert, where you cook?
No. Anything with it. Lasco mackerel and rice.
Where you cook?
Lasco mackerel.
No, sir. We can't take your last mackerel right now. Alright, the rice and peas. See peas them there. But the peas are rotten.
Man can't cook rotten peas.
So, how then they pan the water tap?
Then no hot, then get hot.
That's cool outside in the pantry.
So, should then cramp up then company water tap?
Yeah. We have to company water
Like
tap
it
and
light.
fill it up, you know.
Eh.
Let it light.
So when them cook, then go back down.
Then
Yeah.
straight north.
Then straight north and good over.
Okay, all right. People, oh no, you will see more, and see my uncle there again. He lady asked about the crab, about you and the crab now.
Then so then don't see.
You know, people, see, he make one different fire so. Right, see them, he fry out the chicken back there. See there? Ready, you know, man. See there? See my uncle there, ready, a cooking, you know, man. What you say you cooking, Uncle Ray?
Chicken back and pork and rice and peas.
All right, so then if you subscribe to your pot.
Daddy,
Eh?
that might make me tell you so the dog and somebody from man.
Then why you take pan in?
So if you tap on the dog no must bite you, you expect.
No, we have to pull out in the dog.
So see everybody there.
Take
See there?
pan in again. Take pan in from foot now.
I want to tell you that now, Albert. All right.
No.
See, my father gonna make some brownie in here now, as you can see. All right. He soon come back. When he make a brownie, make gonna see it. All right, people in the backyard cooking. So me chim Edmond there, see there? Wicked chim. See all the part here? That part the name up a swamp when it dry. All right, see my uncle. Who shot is sitting there where you know make a brownie in here? See if I pass and see it. See the people who make a brownie and I use them, I not get this sweet. So they have to put sugar in a milk pan and throw it pan. It's all thing. Lift up and see if it's brown. All right, see there? It has simmer down.
No, we just have cook.
Oh, you just a cook? Okay. People have to see with the backyard cooking here, car. Old man backyard cooking. See there? Wait, what you say?
It's sweet though.
Okay, so what you say backyard cooking here, old man backyard cooking? Hurry up and come here, chim you. You want chim too? Oh, me chim you too. Just, all right, see you next one now. See you next one there. Rice and peas instead of they use the coconut juice, they might use butter. And you have one bag of coconut there, so. See there? Apply board, they might use cooking, you know? Yeah, man, so see it there. Alright. See them there go on. Albert, tell them to like, share, and subscribe. Come.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. How far changes? See it there? Who don't know Albert? There's Eppert. We don't know where Rose gone. Eppert. You understand me? I see Sandokanya. Eppert, Sandokanya. And Rose. Woo! Jesus, peace. That is so nice. Right now, people, as you can see, he bought Lanya now. Uncle Ray got match up a thing. Oh, Lord Jesus. What the rice in Uncle Ray? What? See Uncle Ray long a pot then now. See, let me tell you, no man. Me tell you, say him backyard old man cooking. See there? I might want to share. No put nothing there. No put nothing there. Go for a meat part now. Go for a meat part now. All right, people, see it there? See it there? Real chicken back, you know. What they look fancy something there, Panya? What they name? Pap chai. Okay. Yeah, put it in there, man. Put it in there. Yeah. Me I'm a really meat person, you know. Don't want the fancy sitting there with vegetable. Yeah. All right, people, as you can see in there, backyard old man cooking. See them there? See next one, yeah? He mouth just a run water. You soon get for your uncle, man. See there? Wipe off your mouth, so. In the shirt. Use the shirt, wipe off your mouth, collar, and you wipe off your son. Inside their mouth, wipe off your the shirt. Yeah, man, see my wipe off your mouth water. They soon get for you, man. Sit down, Albert. Tell them what you do.
No line up in yourself.
Yeah. What if you do? Like and what?
Like, share, and subscribe.
All right, now Poochie, come tell them what you do. Come on, man.
Come,
Come on, Poochie.
yeah, girl, is subject.
Come, what if you do? Like, share, and what?
And subscribe.
Come.
Surprise.
Jesus. Tell them, Uncle man. What if you do?
Like, share,
Eh.
and subscribe.
All right, tell them, Uncle Ray. Tell them, Chef. What if you do? Tell them.
Like, share, and subscribe.
All right, people. Remember what they say. Like, share, and surprise. All right, this is backyard cooking. Old man backyard cooking. Sell it, sell off. See it there? Watch them.
This I think $200 one.
Oh, chuck grandfather, I call on everybody for the food. Oh, they have feet, mate.
Yeah, man. I know you're going to make a next circle again, man. Yeah, man. What you want, Panda? Salting? Yo. Eh? Yeah, man, salting today. So belly full, belly full? Say, chang, I know you all get up if you walk in thick. Food.
Nice, man.
Say, how about your belly no full?
The man could have.
No, what about shop me really see?
All you need is to come out.
Quilly belly. Quilly belly.
Come on,
Say
far,
that.
far.
But look more you guys one next round. All right, people, see it, yeah? Old man backyard cooking after belly full. You understand? So later they say they want to cut 2 quam. Yeah, 2 rum and cut 2 quam and all of them something there. Yeah, man. And see original jam tire there. See jam tire there. Mrs. Robot. You understand me? Think turn up. Right here, so. Right here, so there. Right here, so. Yeah, man. So we're going to have jamboree later. You understand me? See Gandhi got there in our chair.
I'm big.
Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe, Gandhi got. Say it.
Which part should we now?
Which part should we now? Stepney.
Let me.